Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get a few different stains off of your walls. We picked some of the most common ones that you guys ask me about all the time, so here we go. Starting with crayon, you're going to grab a clean cloth and spray it lightly with some WD-40. So this is like an unconventional way to clean it, but it works so good, you guys. Wipe gently and you will see it lift instantly. You may need to spray or wipe a few times to get it fully off. Now don't forget to wipe the wall down and clean it up because it'll look kind of like greasy afterwards. So a good way to clean this up would be with some dish soap and warm water or some powder Tide in hot water. You do not want those greasy streaks on your walls. Now next up is Sharpie, and I don't know why, but kids always like to write on walls with permanent marker. So you're gonna use any high alcohol based hand sanitizer, or you can use just like 70% isopropyl alcohol on a cloth and watch it disappear. So it's actually really easy. You just have to repeat, lather, rinse, repeat, repeat, repeat. Do it a few times. Don't rub too hard because you don't want to take the finish off of the paint. Next up is lipstick. Now we wanted to just see if like the micellar, is that how you say it, water would remove it, but it's only really removing the top layer. So we decided to try hand sanitizer again to get the remaining stain, and it worked like a charm. Now, lastly, foundation. This is always on people's walls and doors because they get it on their hands and then they touch the walls and the doors or the light switches. So we tried micellar water again and it took it off instantly, which makes sense because it takes it off of your face instantly like a magnet. Now, unfortunately, foundation has a really high oil content, so it left a bit of a stain on this flat paint, but it did do a decent job. A good way to get this stain off would just be dish soap and warm water because that's what we use to clean our makeup brushes, you guys. So your stuff's not wrecked, neither are your walls, you just have to clean them.